Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are just going to be breaking down the Grok AI Trading Strategy. All right. So you're just going to be learning how to use AI insights to analyze the market, identify trends and make more structured trading decisions. Okay. Now, the Grok AI training strategy combines artificial intelligence with traditional technical analysis. All right, it analyzes market data, identifies potential trade opportunities, and generates actionable insights for traders. Okay, Grok AI looks at price patterns, volume, and market sentiment to provide signals, right? This allows you to see potential trends and turning points more clearly, giving you a structured approach to the market. Okay? AI signals from Grok can show potential entry and exit points. A signal may actually indicate a trend continuation, maybe a reversal or a market consolidation, right? Beginners should treat AI insights as guidance and not absolute rules. Okay, you want to use the signals that you were getting from AI alongside other tools like support and resistance levels. Okay, in as much as you can actually take advantage of AI to get insights, to get predictions, you should also pay attention to your technical analysis as well. Pay attention to your support and resistance zones. All right, support and resistance levels, your moving averages or candlestick patterns, to confirm your trades. All right. Now, to maximize the effectiveness of the Grok AI trading strategy, you should combine its insights with technical analysis. All right. Now, let's just do a very simple practical. What is the predicted trend for FUSDT this week? Okay. All right. So as at the time of typing this prompt, September 9. So it's calculating between September 9 to September 15. Okay, you can see it shows mixed signals based on available analysis with a cautiously bullish short-term outlook, but potential for volatility. So here's a summary. We have bullish indicators. Daily charts indicate Ethereum is bullish, with the 50-day moving average rising and currently below the price, suggesting potential support for upward movement. 200-day moving average has also been rising since August 10, 2025, reinforcing long-term strength. Okay, so we can see some specific price predictions for the week, and then we can see this and all of that, right? Now, there are also the bearish indications, the neutral factors, and a summary. Okay, so now using this insight from Grok AI, we can come back to our chart and begin to look for price or technical patterns that align with the predictions, right? So we want to look for, if we are having a bullish bias, if we are going with the bullish predictions, okay, we want to look for technical setups that support a bullish move this week. So we can start our analysis even from the daily time frame. We want to look for bullish patterns, and we want to come down multi-time frame analysis, right? We want to come down gradually, looking for a bullish structure, waiting for a bullish confirmation, right? Be it the trend line, be it the candlestick pattern, right? Just ensure that you have a technical pattern supporting the bullish outlook, supporting the bullish trade that you want to take. So to maximize the effectiveness of the Grok AI trading strategy, you have to combine its insights with technical analysis, right? So if Grok should predict an upward trend, You check key support and resistance levels to identify a precise entry. Using AI in combination with your existing trading toolkit helps validate signals, reducing guesswork and improving trade timing. This approach is especially useful for volatile markets like crypto or Forex. Okay? So now you also want to create a daily or weekly routine around AI insights, right? You can check the AI signals before market sessions, mark potential opportunities on your charts, and track outcomes over time. Okay? So it's also important that you keep a journal to note which AI signals work best for your trading style, all right, and market conditions. Okay? Over time, you will develop a strategy that integrates AI guidance with your technical analysis, for smarter trading decisions. Okay? So basically, how do you use the Grok AI trading strategy? You can, depends on you, right? At the end of the day, you are the one that's going to prompt the Grok AI, right? You're going to prompt the Grok AI. So you're going to come to the AI and just tell it what you want, right? Perhaps an analysis, you can just tell the Grok AI to give you probably a predicted trend for a particular period of time, whether it's a week or a month or a day, or you can probably ask it for current insights on the prevailing market structure, right? But whatever prompt you give the Grok AI, when it gives you a response, you consider that response as just an insight to guide your bias, right? So when it tells you what the prevailing market sentiment is for a particular currency or a particular cryptocurrency, then you can go to your technicals and go to your chart, right? You can then go to your chart and then you look for patterns that align with what the Grok AI is telling you, right? So if the AI says that the asset is currently bearish, and probably there are some analysts that are making bearish predictions or making bearish statements, or identifying bearish patterns, then you can come to your chart and look for structures that support that bias, right? So you want to look for confirmations. Basically, what you're looking for is technical confirmations that support the bias that Grok AI gave you. Okay, so it's super simple, right? So that's the Grok AI trading strategy. By using AI powered insights combined with technical analysis, you can analyze the market more effectively and make structured trade decisions. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more AI trading strategies. You can start using Grok AI today and elevate your trading game. See you in the next video. Happy trading.